Good morning from Disney's Castaway Cay. Yep, just woke up and we're at Castaway Cay. I'm about to head up to Marceline Market, grab some grub, and then head on out to the island. The boys are asleep, but we are going to get our day started pretty soon.
Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
Do you hear that? Yep, heavy breathing, also known as light snoring. My boys. So yes, AJ and LJ are fast asleep while we're on this bright, sunshiny island of Castaway Cay, Bahamas, and people are already starting to get off the ship because you don't want to waste time at Castaway Cay. But also when you have tired babies, you let them sleep, right? So let's see how this day goes. Marceline Market is aft on the ship. Our room is midship. The elevators can be found aft and forward, but there are no midship elevators on the Disney Wish, unlike the other Disney ships. So since I'm going to Marceline, I've decided to walk aft on our deck 6, and then take those elevators up to 11. Yes. Yes, I'm in my pajamas going to Marceline Market.
Take 11, doors opening.
To Marceline Market we go. Good morning. Welcome to Marceline. Before grabbing our food, I'm going to walk with you through Marceline Market so you can see some of the selections for the day for breakfast. And go ahead and comment below if there's anything you see that you think you would grab for breakfast. We suggest, regardless of the cruise line, that you do walk through the buffet first before making your selections. In the past, we've started to pick things up as soon as we enter the buffet, and then we realized further down the buffet line there are other things we would have wanted instead. Not that the things aren't great all throughout the buffet, but sometimes if you walk through first, you can make a better selection.
Can I have 2 hash browns and a sausage?
I get the raspberry beans and one of the ginger jabs.
Alright, I'm here with breakfast. I had to actually collapse the salmon and chives charcuterie board to put it all on 2 plates. So you have, this would have been a charcuterie board right here. This, I put it on there with that. This is yours, turkey bacon only. That's mine with turkey and regular bacon. This thing here is spinach and cheese. This one has ham, so that's how I know the difference. To Marceline Market we go.
Doors closing.
As you can see, standard for a cruise ship buffet, there is a tea and coffee station. A cold drink station is also standard at a cruise ship buffet. You fill up at the soda machine, the juice machine, or both. Not standard is that Disney has tiny cups for little tiny hands as well as regular sized cups. Cheers to breakfast in bed, babe.
Cheers.
Yes, I ran upstairs and got cranberry with Sprite, cranberry with orange juice. And so my plate is still full. Look at this man, he's almost done. That's what it's about. Good breakfast, good company, good juice. One of the things I saw in packing this bag this morning for the beach, this was included in the bag that we got when we got in the room. It's the Disney Wish Inaugural Sailings Castaway Club towel holder for our beach chair. So let's go use it. We're all about to head to Castaway Cay. This is actually still accurate. They still have the stars, but not in the way they have it on the other ships. But where the star is pointing, there's a point right here. So that means that this is pointing forward. And right here where there's like a V, that goes aft. So you can still follow the stars. Right, hydrate because we just got to this very hot beach at Castaway Cay.
Yes, Nanda. What's the question?
Why are you giving it a bandana? What are you doing? Why are you giving it a bandana?
There we go. There we go. Ah! So any cruise ship you're on, any beach you're on, walk with your Disney Wish Inaugural Sailings Castaway Club towel holder if you have one. And to get one, book a sailing on the Disney Wish during the inaugural season. This is my view here at Castaway Cay. The boys are in the water. And I'm relaxing. We are here at Castaway Cay for the first time in 3 years. 3 years. The last time we were here before this trip was our vow renewal cruise, the Trash the Dress session that I recently shared on social media. Yeah, so this is bringing back memories in one sense, and in another sense, it's a whole new world, y'all. My mom is not traveling with us this trip, and these boys, whew, a sister needed this beach day, okay? So to all you moms, especially mom vloggers, mom and dad vloggers who've been traveling without the grandparent, aunt, uncle, godparent, whoever that trusted adult is, and you've been vlogging too, God bless y'all. I mean, God always blessed y'all, but I'm just saying an extra special God bless y'all, because this has not been for the faint of heart, okay? Anyway, the boys slept in today because even when we're home, they are sleep fighters. They don't like going to sleep at a decent time. And I thought that this vacation would help get them back in a good rhythm, but because we have late dining, which I prefer personally, yeah, they've been getting to bed late because we shower after dinner and then get in the bed. They get their melatonin, but I don't know, man, it doesn't kick in the same on a cruise. Anyway, because they go to sleep late, then they want to sleep in, and so we got out here to Castaway Cay at close to noon. It was like 11:58 when we walked through to come onto the island. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna enjoy the day. The boys are in the water. I'm lounging on the beach. This is my MO when I come to the beach. Usually I go dip in the water first and then lounge, but yeah, mama just needed a moment. So thank you for following along, and come on with us and enjoy the day at Castaway Cay.
Can you guys help me?
We got out here so late that all the pictures with characters that were scheduled were already done before we got out here. It's on the schedule, so you know they start from, I think, as early as after 8 o'clock in the morning until about 10:15. So yeah, we missed all of those, and you know I love a picture, right? So on the next sailing, because we're doing a back-to-back, I'm not playing with Castaway Cay. These boys gonna have to be up early, okay? 6 a.m.
2 hot dogs and a burger.
2 hot dogs and a burger from Cookies. I'll take a walk over there to show you guys what's available. The boys brought it back over here, but I suggest they go eat at Cookies because look in the sky. Look at these seagulls. Look at them.
Birds are flying around on
These seagulls. You may not want to eat any bread products out here on the beach. There's Cookies BBQ back there that's suitable for eating. On the way to Cookies, there's By the Seashore. Get it? By, B-U-I, the seashore. And it has my swimsuit there. There's the bike rental area. I've never used this. This is my, I don't even know how many times I've been to Castaway Cay. At least 4th time here at Castaway Cay. I've never used the bike rental area. More beach. Always convenient. Spring a leak, you can wash off. There's also a water park there for the kids. Alright, we're here at Cookies. Cookies 2. Hi! There is honey and bourbon braised seared salmon. That's a first. I haven't seen that here before. This looks so good. I'm about to get my grandma. This is all food we've had at Cookies 2 today. Well, that's what Alan had. As you can see, not much is left. He had chicken, salmon, and a burger. I think that was, yeah, that's a regular burger, but they had brisket burgers too. I got Texas cornbread, chicken, salmon, corn, and some fruit. They ran out of mango, but one of the managers came to tell me that they're getting mango from the ship, so I'll be back in about 10 minutes for that. Hi boys, how was lunch?
Good. I just want to go back into the water.
Thank you. Alan, did you see mango over there? Did you get any?
No.
It's now done, but I asked if they were getting more, and one of the managers said he's getting it from the ship, and you should come back in 10 to 15 minutes. So remind me, 'cause you know my memory. But I already finished all my pineapple because it was so sweet. First bite of the watermelon, and it's also sweet. And grapes. The fruit is top notch.
All of
This
these
is a
chips are
papaya, but in Jamaica we call this pawpaw. Sweet.
papaya.
Yep, papaya. And let me try the chicken. Thank you for recording me, son.
You're welcome. Lindsay? Yeah. Oh, this thing is gonna go to my stomach acid. Okay. Dad?
That chicken is really good.
Hey, Dad?
For the summer.
I have a question for you.
Huh?
Why at random times you're not wearing a shirt?
Daddy was in the water with you, baby.
We were wearing shirts.
Yeah, you're wearing swim shirts. Daddy's shirt was a regular t-shirt today.
All right.
The salmon is a win. 2 more things. And then I'll let my son get back to his chips and soda.
Done with the chips, so just soda now.
And
Look at my corn.
The corn is really good.
Look at what it did to my corn.
Really good. I'm gonna come back to all of this, but just getting a taste of everything to let you know how it is. And the cornbread.
Cornbread? This has cornbread?
Yeah, there's cornbread.
I need that.
You would like some cornbread? We can have the second one on my plate. Take it right here. just brought me mangoes. I didn't expect it. I was gonna get back up in 10 minutes and go. He brought it. I didn't expect it, so I didn't even record when he brought it, but I certainly said thank you. We could definitely appreciate great customer service. Thank you so much, Mohan. Thank you, Disney Cruise Line.
Good job, man.
Yummy. What's my favorite fruit, you asked?
Yeah.
Mango. Mango. You want a piece of mango?
You like it? Yeah. It's nice.
Sweet.
Now I remember eating mango before. By my feet.
Like,
Doesn't feel
unnaturally
nice.
warm.
Yeah, the water's very warm.
With a bunch of kids and then it makes me a little uneasy. Boys, how was Castaway Cay? 10 out of 10? How much out of 10? How many out of 10?
9.5. I was gonna say 9.
What would you say? You'd say 9 and 9.5?
Yeah.
What took off a point?
The seaweed. I don't like the feel of seaweed. Yeah, same.
Alrighty then, I don't think they can do much about that, but alright. That's a fair review. How was Castaway Cay?
It was beautiful. Sun, warm weather. The water was nice and warm, just perfect.
Yep.
Beautiful day.
10 for you?
Huh?
10.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
So, Mom, how did you think it was?
I think it was maybe, I might agree with you, a 9 to 9.5.
If my dad, it would be that bad.
Part of it for me is because it started so late, but that's not Castaway Cay's fault. You gotta get up early to go next time, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. AJ?
Yeah.
The beautiful Disney Wish. After a couple of hours on Castaway Cay, back to the ship we go. Yes, please. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, that feels so good. We are back on board. Back aboard the Disney Wish.
Our couch is now back together. Yep.
Thank you.
They're just pretend. Okay?
After some beach and pool time, we head to the Star Wars cargo area to see what's going on in there. Maybe we'll meet some friends. Let's see. There's water.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
that's a creature, alrighty, that I don't need to see. Thank you. Chewy, Rey, good to see you. We're sailing away from Castaway Cay.
Gotcha. We gotta wait for it to reset.
This button leads to that screen.
Cool.
No, Andy, what button leads to that?
And to get to this screen, this button is now look. Very cool.
And to get to that one.
To get to the final one, this button right here. Gotcha.
Okay. Let me try.
Okay, Lana wants to try. We're almost up to go see these stormtroopers. Hey, R2.
You look like the adventurous type. Yes. Hope you'll find you got one. Thank you, citizen. Your loyalty is appreciated.
Scan complete, and here. Scanning. Scan complete.
We're so excited to see Aladdin. This is only the second sailing of the Disney Wish that the Aladdin live play is available in the Walt Disney Theater. However, we cannot record in the Walt Disney Theater. Trust us though, you don't want to miss Aladdin on the Wish.
Hey, Landon, what do you have there?
4 vanilla macaroons.
Ah, yeah. I'm going to see if we can get reservations for Enchanté and Palo tonight for our back-to-back that starts tomorrow. Ooh, a quick trip back to our room after getting our Palo and Enchanté reservations, and we see our room is already made up. He's looking for a switch.
I just made a Mickey with my 3 macaroons.
I see him. Hi, Mickey. You look delicious.
I can even make you with one of the white ones. Okay. I know that you might not see it because the bowl's right too, but
No, I can see it. We can see it. All right, Mickey. Love to see you. All right, let's go eat. Let's go to dinner. All right. Wow, this is a line for Arendelle. All right. Hey, music family. Hello. Hi. We are finally moving on into Arendelle. We are heading on into Arendelle after a very long line. It wasn't a long wait though. The line was just really long because we got here before the start of dinner. Oh, look at the decor. Alandi, look around. Does this look familiar?
look, it's Olaf over there, Mom.
It is Olaf over there. Does this look familiar, Alandi? Yes. Knock, 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 knock. Do you want to build a snowman? Remember that scene? There's the clock. Oh my gosh, look at the portholes. They're ice.
I like her
Thank
outfit.
you. Thank you so much.
It's your dinner, everything.
Hello, Mommy. What's up, Linda?
All good. What's the number again?
313.
Mari's here. All right.
Yeah, all right, yeah, man. And this is our
That is your menu.
Here is our menu in Arendelle. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is beautiful.
Wait,
oh my God.
Wait.
Like the video doesn't do this justice at all. Like this entire experience already.
I got the first one.
If you're a Frozen fan, oh my gosh, you just have to dine at Arendelle. So plain rolls, because Mr. AJ loves his plain rolls, and these are the rolls for tonight, she said. I forget how many, including some plain rolls, and a special dip for the bread. Look at the special touches, the glasses are like ice. Oh yeah. Marvel was my favorite restaurant before coming into Arendelle. Now I don't know, I'm not saying Arendelle is my favorite.
Whoa.
I'm not.
What's this?
It's a special bread. I'm not sure what's in it, but you can try it. Frozen fractals. That will be my pick. I know it, hands down. This is the drink menu. I haven't been drinking yet, y'all, I promise. This is the drink menu here at Arendelle, and I've already decided on frozen fractals.
One more time. Hello there. Hello, person wearing mouse ears. I am Lucan, and I'm pleased to be welcoming you to Arendelle to celebrate the engagement of our most worthy and wonderful Queen Anna of Arendelle. But today is lucky for you. We have a wonderful group of musical people ready to be pleasing your ears in the meantime. Please be clapping for these very fine music makers, the Royal Catering Trio.
Thank you, everyone.
How is it now?
Very good, very good.
Ready to tear this up?
Dinner is served.
It would be better if we sat in the middle to see, right? Hopefully the next food. Tasty. Very good. I love the dipping sauce.
Have a great time, everyone.
Thank you. Congratulations. Yummy.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yum. Oh, you have a scallop on there. The flavor of this chicken is interesting. I would say it's actually a little bit overpowering. It's a rosemary chicken, if I remember correctly, and the rosemary is super strong, like super strong. Like all of that on top, I believe is the rosemary, and it's very strong. Like I've never tasted anything like this. It's good though, I just didn't expect it. Frozen fractals for Alan and me. Cheers, babe. This is really, really sweet. I love it.
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to.
Let the storm rage on. Apple King here in Arendelle. Also Coronation Sunday. And an Olaf floor. Look at your brother in the royal chair.
In the royal chair.
In the royal chair, Landon. Hello, Landon. King Landon of Arendelle. We'll see you real soon, Arendelle. So here on deck 8 is the Fairytale laundry. Fairytale fresh laundry to be exact. To get in. stuff is the only stuff still in here, I bet. Yep. There they are. But isn't this nice? No, not the only stuff still in here, but it's really nice. Best laundry room I've seen on a ship. And I don't use the laundry rooms often, but I have used them in the past. And no, it doesn't come with free detergent. A man left that earlier because I actually used it for my clothes because he said he was done and he was leaving it and I could use it. This is where you would buy soap and fabric softener. Get my clothes. Good night for now, Fairytale Fresh Laundry. Now we washed a few items that we may rewear on our second leg of the cruise. I did not wash all our clothes because, yeah, now I'm not spending the time on a cruise ship doing all of that laundry.